What's up, crypto family? Alex from Moonward Capital here with your 6-minute Crypto Pulse Flash update. While Bitcoin is struggling to hold 104K, the NFT sector is absolutely defying gravity with a stunning 5.31% daily gain. Meanwhile, DFAI tokens are bleeding out with a brutal 21.68% plunge. Is this the rotation we've been waiting for, or just temporary market noise? Let's dive in. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our twice daily crypto updates. Now let's break down what's happening in the markets right now. The crypto market continues its downward trend with Bitcoin hovering around 104K. But here's where it gets interesting. We're seeing remarkable strength in social-fi and NFT sectors despite broader weakness. Let's look at the top assets by market cap. Bitcoin sitting at 104th, 174, down about 0.46%. Ethereum showing some resilience at 2,525 and up 0.61%. XRP at 2.15, essentially flat. Solana at 153.25, down slightly, and BNB at 654.59, up a modest 0.31%. But the real story is in the sector performance. NFTs up an impressive 5.31% in the last 24 hours. Social-Fi surging 7.52%, data sector up 7.76%, DeFi showing strength at 4.05%, while DFAI is absolutely collapsing, down 21.68%. This stark divergence tells us something important is happening. Now for the developments you need to know about. First, let's talk about Loud. Stay Loudio's token has stabilized around a $12 million market cap after its weekend launch. Early participants who put in just 0.2 SOL, that's about $30, have seen their investment grow to approximately $3,000. That's a 100x return for those who held through the volatility. Hyperliquid continues to defy gravity. Currently trading at 33.40 with an 11.1B market cap, Hype remains one of the strongest performers in this correction. Analysts are predicting a potential dip to the 26.30 range before resuming its uptrend. We're also seeing significant sector rotation. While DeFAI tokens are bleeding out at 21.68%, capital is clearly rotating into Social-Fi, 7.52%, and NFT, 5.31% sectors. This suggests we may be witnessing a major narrative shift as we enter June. And don't sleep on Sophon. The AI token jumped 14.26% to 0.6, becoming one of today's top performers, while most assets decline. This highlights continued interest in select AI projects despite broader sector weakness. Looking at market sentiment indicators, the Fear and Greed Index stands at 65.05, still in greed territory. Social activity shows Lodio, NFT, and DeFi trending. Search trends are focused on AI, Top, and Laudio. The long-short ratio is slightly favoring shorts on the derivatives front. BTC funding rate is at 0.084, which is bullish. ETH funding rate is even stronger at 0.95. SOL funding rate is slightly negative at 0.03, and BTC basis is in contango at 0.026. What's particularly interesting is Bitcoin dominance sitting at 64.7%, while the overall market cap stands at $3.21 trillion with $97.3 billion in 24-hour volume. These mixed signals suggest we could see continued sector-specific volatility in the coming days. Here's what you need to watch in the next 12 hours. First, keep an eye on Bitcoin's reaction at the 102K support level. This will be critical for the broader market direction. Second, monitor flow between sectors. The strength in social-fi and NFTs amid broader weakness could either be a temporary rotation or the start of a new narrative cycle. Third, watch Stay Loudio's trading volume and creator engagement metrics. This experiment gives us valuable insights into the sustainability of the tokenized attention economy. Finally, stay alert for any news regarding the Silk Road founder, Ross Ulbricht, who just received a mysterious $31.4 million Bitcoin donation traced to Jambler mixing service. These kinds of large transfers can sometimes influence market sentiment. So what do you think? Is the strength in social-fi and NFT sectors amid broader market weakness signaling a new narrative shift for June, or just temporary rotation? Let me know which sectors you're positioning for in the comments below. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for our twice daily crypto updates, and hit the notification bell. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. See you in 12 hours for our next update.